In this video, I will show you how to remove commas and decimals from numbers in Excel very easily like this. So let's get started. Here, I have some numbers that I received from another application. These numbers contain a currency sign, commas and decimals that I want to remove. I am going to write a simple formula using the Excel fixed function to remove all these characters from these numbers. The fixed function is used to round and format the numbers and accepts 3 arguments. The first one is the number that we want to round or format. The second argument is how many number of digits we want after the decimal point. And the third argument is whether we want commas in the formatted number. So let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type fixed followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the number as the first argument. Since we do not want any decimal points in our case, I am going to type a comma and then 0 as the second argument. If your data has multiple digits after the decimal point and you want 2 digits after the decimal point, type 2 here. The fixed function will automatically round the number and will return the number with 2 decimal places. Since we want to remove commas from the numbers, I am going to type third argument. Now type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Drag the cell down from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, Excel has removed all the commas and decimals from the numbers. However, you might have noticed that the format of the numbers has changed because they are now left aligned. It is because the fixed function returns text, not numbers. To convert them to numbers again, select all the cells and copy them using the Ctrl+C shortcut. Now right-click and select the values from the paste options. Now click this icon and select the convert to number option. As you can see, we now have all the numbers formatted as numbers instead of text. Watch this video to learn how to display negative numbers in brackets and in red color in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.